When we first saw the demo of FloQast, we weren't even in the market for a tool of this. We didn't even really know these kinds of tools existed. We instantly saw what a great product it would be to help us in our monthly close. My name's Jim Walker, Vice President of Accounting and Corporate Controller for Ruckus Wireless. The most amazing thing about the setup of FloQast was really just the speed in which it occurred. Within a matter of 2 days, they had the whole system set up for us, ready to roll.
I love the look of FloQast as I felt that it was quite easy to use. It's quite user-friendly. Accountants typically use Excel, and I personally use it every day, every minute, every second of our day. I enjoy FloQast because it was not a big change in my daily routine.
The feature that I like the best in FloQast is really the dashboard and being able to monitor what's due, when it's due, who has to do it, and everything just all right there on the main screen to show you the percentage completion. So prior to FloQast, we used a reconciliation binder, printing out trial balances, printing out reconciliations. Now with FloQast, it's really all automated. It really makes the process a lot simpler.